Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So what you're watching is these guys are fixing a full floor mat for a top end Baleno car. This is being fixed over the OE carpet which usually comes with the car. The OE carpet is nothing but this is a OE carpet, so it looks mushy in nature, but it is very tough to clean the mud, dust and dirt, right? So I would say it is better to go with this mat if you really need it. I definitely recommend it if you have a kid or you have a habit of eating and drinking water inside the car often. So this rubberized material is really good and easy to clean, and it is waterproof. That doesn't let the water reach the floor, so that the floor won't get rust. There are many varieties of carpets available in the market, but I would prefer this one because this one doesn't need to be fixed permanently in the floor. If you need this one not required and later you can easily remove it. But there are carpets like vinyl that needs to be unabandoned and fixed permanently on the floor, so that is I don't prefer that. So this is, I would say, it's a worth investment of around 3.5k when you buy a car cost in lakhs. That's all guys. Please watch the video till the end and please comment below your thoughts. Thank you.